Hello, friends. If you are preparing for Teamcenter interviews and want to explain the basics more clearly, this 30-day series is for you. Today is day 1, and we will start with a simple overview of PLM and Teamcenter. Let's get started. Let's understand PLM. PLM stands for Product Lifecycle Management. As the name suggests, it manages a product's data throughout its entire life cycle, from the initial idea through design and manufacturing, and finally until the product is retired. PLM helps organizations maintain version control, ensure traceability, and improve collaboration between different teams. Now that we understand PLM, let's see where Teamcenter fits in. Teamcenter is Siemens PLM tool. It is used to manage product data such as items, item revisions, BOMs, documents, and workflows in one centralized system. In simple terms, Teamcenter is the tool that implements PLM in real projects. Let's talk about Teamcenter architecture. Teamcenter supports two-tier and four-tier architecture. We will see both in a simple way. In two-tier architecture, the client directly communicates with the Teamcenter server. RAC, which is the rich application client, is commonly used in this setup. Since RAC is a thick client, it needs to be installed on the user's system. This architecture is mostly seen in older Teamcenter implementations. In modern systems, Teamcenter follows a four-tier architecture. Here, users access Teamcenter through a web browser using Active Workspace. The request first goes to the web tier, then to the Teamcenter server, and finally to the database. This separation makes the system more scalable, secure, and easier to maintain. At the center of this architecture is the Teamcenter Server. The Teamcenter Server is the core component that handles business logic. It manages object creation, workflow execution, access control, and communication with the database. Now, let's understand the client side. The client is the interface used by users to work with Teamcenter. RAC is a thick client mainly used in older systems, whereas Active Workspace is a modern web based client commonly used in four tier architecture. Let's briefly talk about the database. The Teamcenter database stores metadata such as item properties, item revisions, and relationships. The actual files like CAD or PDF files are not stored in the database. This is where FMS comes into the picture. FMS stands for File Management System. It is responsible for storing and transferring files such as CAD files, PDFs, or JT files in Teamcenter. FMS uses caching mechanisms to improve performance. FSC or File Server Cache stores files close to the Teamcenter server. FCC or File Client Cache stores recently accessed files on the user's system. When a file is requested, Teamcenter first checks FCC, then FSC, and finally the main file storage. Another important component is dispatcher. Dispatcher is used to handle background tasks such as CAD translation and JT file generation. By running these tasks in the background, dispatcher ensures that normal user performance is not affected. Finally, let's touch on security and customization. Teamcenter manages security using users, groups, and roles to control access to data. It also supports customization using BMIDE for data model changes and ITK for implementing business logic. This completes day 1 of Teamcenter interview preparation. In the next video, we will cover item revision, dataset, and BOM in detail. Thanks for watching.